How to get rid of fleas. Are you suffering from a flea problem, and looking for an easy solution? But, after searching for a long time, you are not getting any easy solution. Don't worry. We're here, to give you our best advice on, how to get rid of fleas. This video will tell you, how to get rid of fleas in your home, in your yard, and in your pets. So, keep watching, get your solution, and enjoy. Flea infestations can be challenging, but there are a number of things people can try in order to get rid of them, from using flea treatment on pets to some simple home methods, such as regular cleaning and combing of pets. According to the National Pesticide Information Center, fleas live and feed on the skin of animals, including humans, all over the world. Fleas can multiply very quickly, with female adult fleas laying around 30 to 50 eggs per day on their host. You can get rid of fleas by taking steps to control them at every stage. First, you'll want to think about treating your pets. But, fleas and their eggs may lurk in other parts of your home and yard too. Take a look at a few tips to help get rid of fleas. Part 1. How to get rid of fleas in your home. Number 1. Use a powerful vacuum. Use a powerful vacuum on any floors, upholstery, and mattresses. Cracks and other tight spaces are usually good hiding places for fleas and their cohort of eggs, larvae, and cocoons. If you can, use a vacuum with a bag you can dispose of without coming into contact with its contents. Number 2. Employ a steam cleaner. Employ a steam cleaner for carpets and upholstery, including pet beds. The combination of high heat and soap is the enemy of fleas in all stages of life. Pay special attention to any hot spots where your pet usually lies down. Number 3. Wash all bedding. Wash all bedding, including your pets, in hot water. Dry it at the highest heat setting. If the infestation is severe, consider getting rid of old bedding and starting anew. Number 4. Use chemical treatments. Aerosol sprays are recommended over the foggers, as you can direct the spray under beds or other places that the foggers may be unable to reach. Choose an insecticide that contains both an adulticide, such as permethrin, that kills adult fleas, and an insect growth regulator, such as methoprene or pyriproxyfen, that kills the eggs, larvae, and pupae. People and pets shouldn't come into contact with the spray until it is dried. Be sure to wear gloves when you apply the spray, and only spray when everyone is out of the house. Part 2. How to get rid of fleas in your yard. Number 1. Don't overwater your lawn. If your dog spends a lot of time outside, you can bet there are fleas hanging around. Don't overwater your lawn because fleas thrive in dark and moist places. You want to avoid any standing water in your lawn, which is good for the planet as well, because overwatering your lawn is a huge waste of water. Number 2. Mow your lawn regularly. Mow your lawn regularly and rake the exposed surfaces thoroughly. Fleas like to hide in tall grass. Make sure to bag the contents rather than add them to your compost pile. Pro tip: mowing your grass 24 hours after applying the insecticide can help stimulate the immature stages of fleas to become active, which will expose them to the products you have applied. Keeping your lawn too moist can help a flea population grow very fast. Reduce moisture by not overwatering, keeping your grass short and cutting back trees and shrubs to allow more sunlight to reach the ground. Number 3. Remove all debris. Leaf and yard debris should be removed prior to treatment so that the spray can get down to the grass and soil level where fleas are developing. You will need to apply a liquid concentrate flea insecticide on the infested areas you found in the inspection. These areas could include under decks, under trees, in places where leaves or other yard debris accumulates, or areas where dense shrubbery exists. There is little need to spray open, sunny areas, dry and dusty areas, or hard surfaces such as patios or driveways, as fleas will not be able to develop in those areas. Number 4. Spread cedar chips. Try using cedar chips for protection outside. Fleas are repulsed by cedar chips because they hate the smell and will do their very best to avoid it. Go to the garden store and get 2 large half a cubic foot bags of cedar chips and sprinkle it throughout the areas where the dogs will be. If you mow, do it before the first mowing, this way the chips are cut into a finer powder that works well. Number 5. Sprinkle borax soap outside the door. If you have fleas coming inside, or notice them just outside your door, Sprinkle a little 20 ml Team Borax soap on the grass and lawn in this area by the door. Be careful with this one though, make sure that your pet's paws are not irritated by the soap. People rave about this treatment but others say it irritates their pets. Search 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆.com. We are always ready to help you with the right information. Part 3. How to get rid of your pet's fleas. If you suspect that your pet has fleas, take the following steps. Number 1. Wash your pet's bedding with hot water. Wash your pet's bedding in hot water every couple of days. Dry it on the highest heat setting after each washing. You can take the pet bed to a dry cleaner, but make sure the potential cleaning chemicals are pet-friendly. Number 2. Wash your pet using flea shampoo. Ask your vet or natural food store about the best options for your pet. Many effective pet shampoos contain pyrethrin, an extract derived from chrysanthemum flowers. Number 3. Purchase a flea comb. Have a bowl of soapy water handy to dunk the critters once you comb them out of your pet's hair. Fleas typically reside around the neck and tail areas. Number 4. Use flea medicine. You can ask your veterinarian about any possible treatments, like flea collars, oral tablets, sprays, dusts, dips, or topical gels applied to the back of the neck. These treatments kill existing fleas and prevent future infestations. Some are specially designed for small dogs, while others were made for large dogs. You can also choose between monthly applications and fast-acting options for certain types of treatments. Number 5. If you prefer natural remedies. If you prefer natural remedies, make a strong solution by adding 2 cups of rosemary leaves to hot water. Allow the mixture to cool down and use it to spray, rinse, or soak your pet. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now, and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from the Guardian's Choice Official.